Alright, driving around today, just got the new exhaust installed, the Invidia Gemini catback. And what I decided to do today is just record some audio clips of how it sounds just in different conditions. And I'm going to talk you through the conditions as I am experiencing them. So I just pulled out of a parking lot from getting set up. We've got all the windows closed, and I'll shut up and let you hear. So at idle, you barely hear anything at all. I really love that about this exhaust. When you want it to be subtle and understated, it's perfectly capable of doing that. But when you get on it, you really know that you're getting on it. Around 60 miles an hour. Just a little blip on the downshift. Riding out fourth gear. Give it a little love. God, that sounds good. Blip. Power. God damn, it sounds good. No rasp anywhere in the power band, like that's just VQ music right there. God damn. Put it in sport. Get some clips. Lord have mercy, that sounds good. Alright, gonna give it a little turnaround here. I hope you guys can hear what this sounds like. Hard on residential roads, but it's Mexico. What are you gonna do? This is riding out fourth gear at around 60 miles an hour. I almost hear the tires more than the engine right now. Alright, so I finally found a location where I could pull over and set up my camera to do some clips to see how the car sounds outside the cabin. So I was literally only out here for like 5 minutes, and within that 5 minutes a cop had already pulled up to figure out what was going on with this camera on the side of the road. But I mean, this shows how awesome the exhaust is, right? It's loud enough to sound great when you're getting on it, but yet it's quiet enough that in the event I need to pull up behind, say, a police officer to explain to him why there's a camera on the side of the road, I can pull up quietly enough that it's not attracting any attention to my exhaust. It's not going to have him asking any questions about whether there's any illegal car, violating things on there. So we could just, stand by and have a friendly conversation about how a 40-year-old was just randomly recording videos of his car driving by. this cop was cool. Maybe one day he'll be a subscriber. All right, back to more clips. Alright y'all, that's pretty much it. I absolutely love this Invidia Gemini catback exhaust. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks. I just farted. I fucking hate this thing, man. So sick of this piece of